So my day one began with me waking up at around 7 o'clock in the morning, quite early than usual. And as soon as I woke up, I started studying English for my exam on that day. And here you can see me using highlighter, and I used it after so many years for studies. And yeah, I was excited, to be honest. And after studying, I had my exams. So my exam began at 11:30, and it was 1 hour exam, 30 marks. And after the exam we have our viva of 10 marks. गाइस, तो मेरा वाइवा भी हो गया है. लाइक लकीली मुझसे सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा मैम ने, एंड मैम ने लाइक शी टोल्ड दैट वेरी वेल स्पोकन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या मतलब मुझे शायद अच्छा मार्क्स ही मिला होगा, आई होप. एंड या इट्स डन. एंड अभी लाइक राइट नाउ कल भी मेरा एग्ज़ाम है, तो टुमारो इज़ माई मैथ्स एग्ज़ाम. सो आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग फॉर दैट इज़ वेल. मुझे एक मेरा ट्यूशन का लाइक बहुत बड़ा असाइनमेंट था, आज उसका लास्ट डेट है सबमिशन का. एंड उसके लाइक 12-13 सम्स अभी भी बाकी है. लाइक सो आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग फॉर दैट. आई नीड टू कम्प्लीट दैट. आई नीड टू प्रैक्टिस मैथ्स. एंड मुझे लाइक अभी बाहर भी जाना है, which you will see. I will take you guys all along with me. Okay, so this is what I wore when I was going outside. So I went to the parlor to get a haircut done, and it was like after 1 year almost, or 6 months, that I was getting a haircut from a parlor. So earlier all of my hair was in one length, but after you can see that my hair got chopped, and here you will find much difference, but half my hair got short from the center, and like when they cut, I was literally crying there. Okay, now I'm making Maggie for me and my mom. After this, I attended my tuition classes and then began to pack stuff and sort out clothes. And since I told I had my maths exam next day, so I was practicing some maths questions. After this, I attended my another tuition, and then I was playing and clicking pictures with my new haircut. So that's it for day one. The day two began with me studying maths, and I woke up quite late that day because I was not feeling well. And yeah, now you can watch again me playing with my hair, and yeah, you can see that I got my hair really chopped, and if you will see that it kind of looks like a boy cut from the front. I was not feeling like studying, so I tried to do makeup, and here I got hurt, and I was doing makeup because I was going to a wedding, and I didn't wanted the parlor wala didi to do makeup, ruin my makeup and like look. So yeah, I did makeup, and I was so happy with the way it turned out, because I'm not a good makeup artist or something like that, but it still looked pretty decent, and I feel like it would look really great with the outfit. So yeah, I was happy. After this, I gave my exam and the Google form test, and it ended at around 1 o'clock. And then I went to the tailor to get my outfit sorted, because all of my outfit needed alteration, and I was scared for that I had only 1-2 days. And then we started packing and sorting out stuff for us. So my mom packed her stuff because all of her outfit was sorted and altered. After that, I watched a video of my tuition. So I had to watch 14 videos of around 8 hours approximately, and I had to watch it before I leave. That was 2 days. So since that day was off, kind of off, and I was not feeling well, So and I was stressing out, so I put on a face mask, and yeah, then came the day 3. Day 3 began with me doing BSc, and cause I had my exam on Monday and this was Saturday. Then we went to the market. So first of all we went to buy kurta for my dad, and after which we went for my shopping of earrings and stuff like that. But I couldn't vlog much cause it was raining heavily and we literally forgot to take our umbrella, and we were walking from one place to another with bags above our head and literally walk like running from one place to another cause we didn't have any time because we were leaving the next morning. Okay, so this is just a round 2 of going to the market. So this time I went to get my stuff from tailor, and we also got some sunglasses. So I got 3 of these, and yeah. After this I had cup noodles because I didn't really had lunch properly. Then I was washing my makeup brushes cause as I told I didn't trust parlor wala didi, so I wanted to do my makeup by myself, and I couldn't use a dirty brush, so yeah, I kept them to dry. After which I had my dinner, and then actually the packing began. So all of my stuffs were there, but still all of my outfit didn't got altered properly, especially my lehenga. It had a lot of issues. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell icon